Mix lemon with charcoal, and you'll be amazed by the result. Since I started using this mixture, I never bought it at the market again. For this simple tip, we'll need a piece of charcoal. It needs to be new. It can't have been used, okay? Take this piece of charcoal and put it in a plastic bag. Then tie it very well and close it. Once done, let's crush it with the help of an object. I'll do this because we'll only need the charcoal powder. I'm sure that once you learn this tip, you'll always do it at your home. It's very practical, and I bet it will help many housewives. After crushing it very well, make a cut at the end of the bag, and then use a sieve to extract all the charcoal powder. Do exactly as I'm doing to get the desired result, and this powder is worth gold. This tip is widely used in rural areas and farms, since access to chemical products is very limited in those regions. I'm sure you'll be surprised. And now, to finish, we'll need a lemon. If possible, use this type of lemon, as it is more acidic and will be better for our tip. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze all the juice into the container. Once done, simply mix until it becomes homogeneous. And I imagine you're curious, wondering what this is for. With just these two ingredients, you'll have a potent shine and aluminum cleaner. That's right. I imagine everyone must have at home a dirty, burnt pen with some stubborn stain that won't go away no matter what. So here's your solution. Just pour some of the mixture directly into the pan and then scrub with a sponge. This mixture is so potent that you don't need to exert force. Charcoal is extremely abrasive, which will help in removing dirt and giving shine to your pans. Lemon, on the other hand, is one of the main cleaning elements, as it helps mainly in removing ingrained greasy. And you can use it on any aluminum and metal piece in your home. It will remove any type of stain and leave an incredible shine. Just look at the impressive result. So don't forget to do it at your home. Surely this tip will help you a lot in your daily life. It's very worthwhile, as it's not only practical but also very cheap, and you no longer need to spend on expensive products. That was today's tip. Hope you liked it. Best regards and see you in the next video.